Hey there everybody, and welcome back to Healthwell. Today on our channel, we're talking about breakfast. Yes, of course, we all know it is the most important meal of the day. But really? How many of us take it that seriously? In this video, we will be breaking it down by explaining why what you eat first thing in the morning is important, and give you the lowdown on the healthiest breakfast foods around. We'll also tell you what to avoid and how to incorporate a healthy breakfast into your busy day. So, let's get going and talk breakfast. Despite what you may have heard, eating breakfast isn't actually necessary for everyone. It really depends on the type of diet you are following. In fact, it is actually better to miss breakfast instead of indulging in some of the unhealthy foods on the market these days. In fact, there are a few diets such as intermittent fasting that actually require followers to refrain from having breakfast. With that being said, however, if you are able to have a nutritious, well-balanced breakfast, that's great. It will give you an excellent energy boost to get your day started and also prevent you from overindulging later in the day. As the name suggests, breakfast breaks the fast that happens while we sleep. As the first meal of our day, breakfast replenishes your glucose supply and gives you the energy boost to get you going. A good breakfast also improves the ability to concentrate. This is most evidently seen in children. Eating breakfast is also great for better weight management and can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease in the longer-term future. Moving on, let us tell you about the healthiest foods you can have in the morning. Naturally, this list isn't exhaustive, and it's totally possible to mix and match items to suit your dietary needs. While it's totally possible to treat yourself to the odd plate of French toast or Nutella pancakes for a special occasion, here's the rundown on the types of healthy breakfast foods you should focus on eating on a daily basis. Number 1. Eggs. Despite being one of the most versatile foods around, eggs have received a lot of bad press in recent years. However, in moderation, they are an excellent healthy choice for breakfast. There have been a number of studies carried out that show that eating eggs for breakfast leaves you feeling full, reduces calorie intake at subsequent meals, and had a positive impact on maintaining steady blood sugar and insulin levels throughout the day. In terms of nutritional value, the type of antioxidants found in egg yolks is known to help in the prevention of eye disorders like cataracts. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, which is really important for brain and liver health. Although eggs are high in cholesterol, they don't raise cholesterol levels in most people. Eating whole eggs actually reduces the risk of heart disease, as it modifies the shape of LDL cholesterol and increases HDL cholesterol, which is good. In turn, this improves insulin sensitivity. Eggs are also a great source of protein, so if you are active in the morning, eggs after a workout will do the world of good when it comes to your recovery. Finally, eggs aren't just versatile. Sure, you can have them scrambled, poached, and fried, but boiled eggs or healthy frittata are easy ways to prepare eggs ahead of time and are easy to transport when you are on the go. Number 2. Oats. If you are a cereal fan, then oatmeal is a great healthy option for you. The health benefits of having oats for breakfast mainly stem from their fiber content and their impact on reducing cholesterol. Oats will also leave you feeling full till lunchtime, so there won't be any need to snack in between meals. Rich in antioxidants, oats also have a positive impact on heart health and can decrease blood pressure. Another great thing about oats is that you can easily keep things interesting by changing up your toppings. From fruits and nuts to chia seeds, there are loads of ways to boost the nutritional content of your oat-based breakfast. One downside of oats is their low protein content, but you can add in some protein powder if you are on a high-protein diet. Cooking oats with milk will boost the protein content too, but using water will keep the calorie content lower. While oats themselves don't contain gluten, they are often contaminated with other grains at the factory. This can be somewhat problematic for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. If you are looking for an easy way to transport oats, or you are often rushing in the morning, then overnight oats are a great option, as they can be prepared ahead of time. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Delicious, creamy, and nourishing, Greek yogurt is an excellent healthy option for breakfast. Unlike other yogurts on the market, which are full of sugar and artificial flavors, Greek yogurt is lower in fat and has a high protein concentration. This high protein content helps keep hunger at bay, and just like other dairy products, they can also help with weight control. In terms of broader health benefits, full-fat Greek yogurt contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which stimulates fat loss and can decrease the risk of breast cancer too. Greek yogurt is a good source of probiotics that help your gut stay healthy. Again, Greek yogurt never gets boring, as you can easily add berries, nuts, and seeds to increase your breakfast vitamin, mineral, and fiber content. Another great option, especially if you need to have your breakfast on the move, is to top up your yogurt with fruits to create a delicious smoothie that is easy to transport. Number 4. Fruits. Now, this is a broad category for sure. From mixed berries and tropical mangoes to bananas and avocados, the choices really are endless. So, change things up and buy what is fresh and in season. Regardless of the type of fruit that takes your fancy, they all contain vitamins, potassium, fiber, and are reasonably low in calories. You'll average around 100 calories per cup of chopped fruits, depending on what you choose. If you are lacking in vitamin C, then citrus should be your go-to. Did you know that one large orange provides 100% of your daily recommended vitamin C intake? That's pretty remarkable. Fruits can also be pretty filling due to their high fiber and water content. Consuming fruits can be as straightforward or creative as you want it to be. If you tend to be in a rush in the mornings, you can pre-prepare a chopped fruit salad the night before. You can also top your fruit with ice, milk, yogurt, or water if you prefer to drink your breakfast as a smoothie. Throw in a spoon of peanut butter or some oats if you want something a little heavier. Fruits can also be paired with Greek yogurt or oats. If you are looking for a more savory option, then avocado on toast is another popular alternative. When it comes to fruits, the options really are endless. So, as part of a well-balanced diet, fruits have the potential to sustain you for quite some time. Number 5. Whole grain bread. The growing popularity of low-carb diets has meant that bread often gets branded as the devil's work. But in fact, it's all about eating the right type of bread. If you opt for whole grain or rye bread as opposed to white bread varieties, you'll have yourself a breakfast that is rich in fiber and protein. Whole grain bread is packed with B vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. In the correct amounts, foods rich in whole grains are known to reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and some types of cancers too. If you top your whole grain slices with eggs, nut butter, or avocado, you'll easily have yourself a nutritious breakfast. Now, let's talk about foods you should avoid for breakfast. We know it might not always be easy to eat a healthy breakfast, but as long as you stick to these foods as much as possible, it'll be great for your overall health. And if you can't be healthy, well, at least try not to be completely unhealthy either. On the other end of the spectrum, common breakfasts you should try to avoid include sugary breakfast cereals, pancakes and waffles, white bread, muffins, sugary fruit juices, sweetened yogurts, and toaster pastries. Sure, there are healthier versions of all the foods we've mentioned, but to avoid being misled, you can read the labels to check sugar, fat, and carbohydrate content. Unlike the healthy breakfast foods we've talked about, which have the potential to set you up for the day by boosting energy levels, stabilizing your blood sugar levels, and controlling your overall appetite to keep your weight in check, making poor breakfast choices will leave you hungry and have you struggle through the day. Eating poorly on a regular basis can increase your risk of health problems in the future. So, if you are eating breakfast, make sure it contains plenty of protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and unprocessed fiber. Now we know that when it comes to breakfast, it isn't just about it being the most important meal of the day. It is more about what you eat. To start the day off with a bang, you'll need a boost of energy, and you'll get that from eating well-balanced and nutritious morning foods. Whether you opt for fruits, oatmeal, eggs, or whole grains, or if you prefer to mix it up and keep things interesting, breakfast is a meal that you can always be creative with and never gets boring. But if you do want to keep things simple and easy, all of our top 5 healthiest morning foods can be prepared in ways that don't require too much time or effort and can easily be transported when you are on the move. Tell us what you eat for breakfast. Does it leave you satisfied and feeling healthy? Please share your thoughts and breakfast recipe ideas in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will not miss out on any of our videos on health, wellness, and much more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.